Okay, on a calendar, we've recognized some patterns. Hopefully you've recognized that the orange squares represent square numbers, not square geometrical shapes, but square numbers. In other words, if I multiply 1 times 1, I get 1. If I multiply 2 times 2, or 2 squared, that would be 4. If I multiply 3 times 3, or 3 squared, that would be 9, which makes 9, 4, and 1 square numbers. And so we will see, and we can predict with pretty much certainty, that the next one would be 4 times 4, or 4 squared, which would be 16. So we'll look for that later on in the week. We also know that trapezoids, these are our prime numbers. 2 is prime because it only has a factor of 1 and itself. 3 is prime, 5 is prime, 7 is prime, 11 is prime. And don't get confused, 1 is not prime because in order for a number to be prime, it has to have 1 and itself. And 1 does not have 1 and itself, it just has 1. So that's kind of a fun one to remember. Well, for today is 13. What type of number is 13? Go ahead and type it into our daily lesson plan. I'll put a link on there. What do you predict today is going to be? What shape and what color?